to Jesus. Please come fast. Lazarus is sick, and without your help, he will not last. Mary and Martha watched their brother die. They waited for Jesus, he did not come, and they wondered why. The death watch was over. Buried for you, the Lord is on his way. Yes! Martha ran to him, and then she cried, Lord, if you had been here, you could have healed him. He'll still be alive. But you're 4 days late, and all hope is gone. Lord, we don't understand why you waited so long. But his way is God's way. Not yours or mine. And isn't it great when he's 4 days late, he's still on time. Hallelujah. Jesus said, Martha, show me the grave. But she said, Lord, you don't understand. He's been there 4 days. The gravestone was rolled back.